Greetings, inhabitants of the Dyson sphere. My name is Class 1 Overseer Tan of the Hierarchy, Commanding Officer of the HSS Lee, and as I enter the sphere I am pleased to announce my service as the Commanding Officer of the Dyson Sphere Commissioned Station Destiny. I apologize for the sound of my voice. I am using a primitive version of the Universal Translator. My use of the Federation Standard Language remains a bit less than acceptable. The translator struggles with the language of the hierarchy and translates the voice at a slower rate. To those who have defended the honor of the Buck-built station, I offer my humble abilities as a negotiator. The disappearance of Captain Storm and even the loss of the USS Princess Diana may be linked to this sphere. We come here in the peaceful expansion of the Phoenix Fleet and in service to Admiral William Hunt. We come here to establish a Delta Quadrant base of operations. We accept our destiny, even though it may be a punishment. Commodore Tan, entering with only peaceful intentions, signing off.